Hey guys, it's Mr. Jordan here. Today we're going to learn how to make some posters in some software called Figma. Figma is a design software kind of like Adobe Illustrator, and the cool thing about it is that it's all browser based. So instead of having to save all your work to folders and stuff on your computer, it's all saved in the cloud and you can access all your work from anywhere. So that's pretty cool. You can work on your projects from your computer or your phone or literally tablets, anything. You can access all your work everywhere through Figma, and that's really cool. Um, this lesson is interactive, and you're going to follow along while I am doing things. And following the guide, the PowerPoint guide, you will learn all of the things you need to learn. You'll get the videos you need, all the tools you'll need are right there. Um, and before starting actually designing things, you're going to take a look at an art museum using Google Cardboard to have like a virtual reality tour. And then we're going to work in Figma to create some awesome designs. So the first thing I want you guys to do is create a folder on your desktop or a flash drive to save all of your work for this lesson so it can be easily turned in at the end of the lesson. Um, so what you'll notice whenever you're following along is that each assignment is going to have a video. So each lesson is a video, and you're going to have all the links right next to that you'll need for all the resources that you'll need for the video. Any other websites you might need to access during the lesson or anything will be posted in the slide right next to the video. There's also, for the Interactive Art Museum, there's QR codes, and you're going to scan those to access the Art Museum exhibition. And that's it. And at the end of this, you're going to take just a 5-question assignment in VoiceThread, where you're going to upload a voice response to each of the questions I've asked you. Some of the questions are more opinionated, and they're just trying to get your ideas, and then others are more questions that you need to think about critically to get the correct answer for. So I hope that you enjoy this lesson, and good luck.